Join me today in North Finchley, where I'm delighted to bring to market this spacious and very well maintained semi-detached 4-bedroom family home. This house would be ideal for those looking to put their own stamp on the property, and as the loft has already been converted, a lot of the heavy lifting has already been done for you. The property is very well located for the many shops and restaurants of North Finchley, whilst fashionable East Finchley High Road with its cafes, eateries and Northern Line Underground station is just a short drive away. One of my favourite things about this house is the extensive rear garden, which offers rare potential to extend the house, add an annex and yet still have an incredibly large rear garden. Anyway, that's enough from me. Let's let the house speak for itself. Come with me and let's take a look around. I've been Leigh Brown, this has been High Road North Finchley. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. For more info or to arrange an in-person viewing, please call me on 07940 464 921.